Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete TikTok link from Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Then tap on menu option. Click on profile. After that tap on edit profile. Okay, scroll down. Click on links edit, tap on TikTok. Okay, then click on remove link, just click, then remove your TikTok link, just remove, just wait few seconds. Your link has been removed from your profile. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.